Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and today, as you guys can see from the title, I will be doing a Fashion Nova haul. Yes, never ever did a haul on my channel before, but for 2018 I just want to switch it up just a little bit. You know, I still want to do my hair and my makeup. That's not going to change, but I just want to come on here and just do something a little bit different. It's still fashion, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is my first ever haul, and it's from Fashion Nova. And yeah, before we get started into this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, right here, right now, that red button, and also please turn on that notification because I do upload every single Tuesday and Thursday. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so this is my first ever Fashion Nova haul. I went on their website. I heard a lot about Fashion Nova on, you know, social media, and I was like, all right, would Fashion Nova ever, you know, I'm kind of scared buying stuff online, so I was like, all right, let me try it out. Let me buy a few stuff, not a lot, because I'm, you know, from what I have read and what I saw is that, you know, if you bought something from there, you cannot, like, you know, it's like a store credit return. So I was like, all right, let me buy a few stuff from Fashion Nova and see how they look on me and make sure that I really like it before I go all out. So basically this haul is not going to be a long haul. It's going to be very short, but I just want to come on here to show you guys what I got from Fashion Nova and how it fit me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the first item. So the first item right here is a shirt, and this is called Overdrive Off the Shoulder. It's a off the shoulder shirt, and as you can see how pretty it is. I just love the way how it just snatch my body. The shoulders look very perfect. I just love the way how my shoulders look in it. And the sleeve is not that long. It's like a, you know, like a midway, but it's fine for me. It doesn't look that bad. And this is a large, and the material, oh my god, the material, the way how it feels on your skin, it feels like cotton. I just love it so much, and it's very pretty. I really love it. This is kind of like for spring, you know. It's really nice. So I also pair it with this nice dark brown pants, and this one is called Alea Skinny Jeans. I'll put the whole name on the screen, so don't worry. But let me tell you something, I'm very funny with pants, and you know, everybody talking about Fashion Nova jeans fit the body, right? But yeah, this fit me very well. It's very stretchy, as you can see. This is a size 11, and it fit me like a gloves. It really fit me, and it fit my butt, which I don't have a butt, whatever. But it basically fit me so well, and I just love it. You know, it have the back pockets here, and then the front. The length, I'm tall, okay? I am 5'11", so I am very funny when it come on to pants, you know? I need it to be long. I need it to be very long. And this is okay. It's not all the way long, like the way how I want it to be, but it's fine. I don't have a problem with the length. It's not bad. You know, it's not bad, but I just love this jeans. I love the way how it stretched, the material, like I really love it. This hugs my body so good, and it's very pretty. I love it. I will definitely be wearing a lot of Fashion Nova pants, trust me. Okay, so the other jeans I want to talk about, this one is called Round Off a Pause, and it's in the color mauve, if I am not mistaken, but hopefully it's not. But I think this one is in the color mauve, Yeah, but this jeans is so, I love this color. This color fit me so well. Everything on this fit me perfectly, and I just love the way how it shapes on my body. And then you have the 3 buttons right here at the front, and you have the pocket at the front and the back. And the length is like the same thing. It's fine for me, you know. I wish it was a little, like, you know, 2-inch longer, but it's okay, you know, it's fine. You know, a lot of times when my jeans are short, I just go ahead and I just roll up the foot like that 2 times or 1 time, and I just put on my little slippers or my sneakers or whatever, and it looks good. So, you know, I'm okay with it. I am okay. I just love the way how it fit me, and it's very stretchy. This is a size 11 too, and I just love the way how it feels on me. The material feels so rich. It feels so good. You could definitely know that this is not no cheap material. A lot of these stores, when you buy stuff online and then when it comes, even without touching it, you could know that the material is so cheap. So cheap, and it's so expensive. So I am very happy. I am shocked because Fashion Nova been on for a while now, and I cannot believe I just ordered stuff from Fashion Nova. Like, really? Are you serious? Where have you been? Okay, but no, 2018 I will be definitely shopping more on Fashion Nova. By the way, before I go crazy, this is not sponsored. This is my own money. So yeah, I love this. I love the shape, everything, the way how it fits my body. And I basically pair it up with this nice mesh top. I love this top, and it looks so well with it. I think it's the same color. Yeah, it's the same color, and I don't know the name of this right now, but I will put everything up on the screen, and also on in the description box. Everything that, all of the clothes, I will be putting in the description box, so don't worry. But basically this top is a mesh top. It's stretchy also, and you could definitely see the little nice design on the back. It is so pretty. I love it so much. The length of it is perfect. You know, it's not too short, it's not too long, it's just right. And it went all the way down onto my hips, which I love. I love it. The mesh, look at that, like, it's really pretty. And this size is a, I think I bought a lot. No, this one is a medium. Yep, this is a medium, and I just love it. It's so pretty on me. It's so pretty. I love it. With the pants, it is the bomb. It's the bomb. And then I do have this nice sheer shimmery shirt. This is a pin under, so you know, you basically pin it under just like that, and you have, what is it, 2 pins. You just pin it under your crotch. But basically this is a, what would you call these stuff now, like a bodysuit, something like that. But it's very pretty. It's very sheer, as you can see, and the length of the sleeve is perfect. It's so perfect. It fits my body well. This one is a large because I was scared. Like, I didn't want to, the thing with me is that I don't like to buy stuff and bring it back. I want to buy it and it fit me perfectly without me having to return it, exchange it, and all of that stuff. So I bought different sizes and all of them fit me well. So this is a large, and I love it. I love the way how it is. It's perfect. And you know, you put it on with your nice sexy heels and you're good to go. And then the other one I want to talk about is this nice, kind of like a sweater. It's so pretty. I paired it with that outfit that I showed you earlier, and this one is called, okay, Knit Collection. It's in the color Ivy, and it's size large. Listen, this material, it feels just like the first one I showed you, that first shirt. and it's mesh. It's a mesh material. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's mesh, and the length of it is so long. I love it. These are like sleeves that I love. I love long sleeve, come all the way up to my fingers. And this is an open top. It's open, but you know, it's very comfy. You just put it over a nice shirt and you just wrap it around you and you're good to go. This is kind of like a fall spring sweater that you could wear. I love it. This feels very, when I say so soft, I don't know how to describe it, but it feels so soft and so nice. I am obsessed with this. You might see me wear it a lot of time in this videos and all of that stuff, but I am obsessed. I paired it with that outfit and you can see how it looks so pretty with the outfit. It's to die for. I love it. I really, really love it. So the next pants is this nice blue dark wash, and it do have the same, well, it have 4 buttons at the front, and this one fit me so well. It's very, very, very stretchy. It's also in the size 11, and the length is short. Like the length could be longer, but I did fold the bottom and I put it on with a nice sexy black shoes, and I love it. So far I don't have no problem with this. The only problem I have is the length. You know, I'm tall, okay, I am tall, but I just, you know, fold it up just like that, and I just put it on with a nice black sexy heels and I'm fine. But I really love this pants. It do have the pocket at the back and also at the front. I love the blue like wash. You know, the middle part have like a little wash in it. Also the back right here. But I love it. I really love it. This pants is to die for. I'm obsessed. Okay, the other shirt that I want to talk about is this. To me, this is my favorite. A favorite, hands down, favorite top. Okay, look at this top on my body. Like it fit me like a gloves, and it just make my, I just love it. It looks so pretty, and also it's off the shoulder. I'm never an off the shoulder girl until lately. And let me tell you something, I will be wearing a lot of off the shoulder, a lot, because my shoulders look so sexy and it looks really nice. And this is a great top, and this is in the size large. But let me tell you something, when I saw it first I was like, oh hell no, this is not gonna fit me. This looked like small, but when I took it out and I put it on me, it fit me like a glove. It's very stretchy, as you can see. Look, it's super stretchy, and I just love the way how it fit my body. Look at my face. I am so obsessed with this. Like, I love it. I love it so much. My boobs look so good in it and all of that stuff. I wear it with a nice off the shoulder bra, and I just love it. It's so pretty. The sleeve is so nice. I love the sleeve. I love the length. I have no issue with the shirt. I am obsessed with the shirt right here. The final outfit, well, the final shirt is the one that I have on right now. Let me come up a little bit to show you guys. It's very pretty. I did put on my waist, my full body waist trainer, because I want to train my body. Like, I want to suck my stomach in because I have not been working out. I've been slacking. I really been slacking, and I'm eating every single thing on the earth, which is so not good. But I just paired it with my nice body outfit just to keep in my stomach. But basically, this shirt that I have on right now, you can see that the sleeve is very fluffy right here, and then downwards it's very straight. This is pretty. This is very unique. I never wear something like this before. And you can also see that you have the band to go around and then tie at the front, or you could tie it at the back. But basically, this is like, let me show you. Don't look at my stomach. But basically, this is how it is. and I love the way how it you know, cover and flow with my boobs. I just love it. It's very pretty, it's very comfortable, and this is definitely kind of like a cotton material. It's really nice. I love the V. It's pretty. I love it. You know, I didn't want to take it off, so I was like, all right, let me do this video with this outfit on, and I am happy. Like, it feels very nice, and I love it. I really do. I really love it. But basically, guys, this is it of the final haul. As I said earlier, this is not a huge haul. This is my first time shopping at Fashion Nova, and so far pretty much I give it a thumbs up, especially with the jeans. I love the jeans. I will definitely be buying more from Fashion Nova and all of that good stuff. But as I said earlier, I will definitely be doing a whole lot more haul. I will try to do a haul every once a month. I don't know yet. I want to see how my budget is. But basically, this is my first, and many more to come. And also, I will be shopping at different stores to see what I can get for my money. You know, reasonable prices and how to look kind of like bougie on a budget, something like that. I will definitely be doing videos like that in the future. But basically, this is my first ever haul. Tell me what you think down below. Should I keep on doing it, or should I stop? Just keep on doing hair and makeup? I don't know. But I want to do it. I want to keep on doing it, you know. As I said, I want to do something different in 2008 on my channel, and I really love this. And I will definitely be doing more. Trust and believe. And yeah, I hope you like this. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Did I do good? I don't know. I don't know if I did good. Tell me. Let me know. Let me know what you think down below. Like, leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Whatever store you want me to shop at that is not expensive, okay? Alright? You still want to look bougie on a budget, alright? So, leave a comment down below. Tell me, you know, what store you want me to shop at. Well, I did look at Boohoo, so I will definitely be doing a Boohoo haul very soon. So, stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, don't forget to tune in every single Tuesday and Thursday, and also subscribe before you leave. And I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.